Hi guys, you are on All Around the World channel, and today we are going to make a little excursion around Airbnb Guest House in Lisbon. Subscribe to the channel and let's go! So guys, first I'm going to show you a common places of this guest house, and then we will go in our room and I will show you our own area for 2 days. So, this guest house, as you already know, included 2 floors and 8 rooms. 4 rooms in upstairs and 4 rooms in downstairs. Also, it's included 2 toilets and bathrooms. One for 1 floor, for first floor, and another one for second floor. Also, it has, of course, kitchen. It's very comfortable and you can save a little bit money and make a dinner here. This kitchen included all what you need. I mean dishes, cabinets, refrigerator, microwave, teapot, toaster and something like that. Also, I want to notice that it's very comfortable to not mix your food if you buy something with other people who live in here, because refrigerator and cabinets has numbers of rooms, and you can save your products there under the number of your room. Also, I found here a little bit oil for all the people and salt. I think you agree with me that for 2 days it's not really good to buy bottle of oil, and if guest house has oil or salt or products like that, it's very big plus. Also, this house has common area, leisure area with sofa where you can relax if you don't want to spend time in your room, because rooms is not really big, so you can go there and have a rest there. Also, pluses of this house that everywhere is air conditions, and also it has several video cameras in the corners, so you can be sure that you are safe here. As I already said, rooms is not so big, and our room in second floor, and this is mansard floor, low ceiling there, I will show you later. We paid for our apartments 170 euros per 2 nights. It's normal price for Lisbon, but our apartments not in a city center, it's plus and minus. Minuses is that not a lot of shops here, and all shops what I found here is really small and you cannot find there a lot of products. But eggs, tea and bread exists there, so maybe it's okay. Also, big minus for me, but not for everyone. This is airport near this guest house, and planes always flying here like that. Big pluses here, it's good design, beautiful design. This apartment's really cozy, small but cozy. Price is normal price, as I already said. Of course, it can be more comfortable when you have your own bathroom and your own toilet. Here you have to divide this toilet with 3 other rooms in your floor. But remember about the price. It has a kitchen and you can save a little bit more money when you are cooking for you yourself. Let's go in our room. So, this is our room, number 5. Welcome. First you can see it's a bed, and near a bed you can put all your belongings, and from other side, if you want, ceiling, low ceiling, as I said. Normal ceiling only here, and in all the other area, for example here, you already need to go like that, and it's not really good for your back. But as I said, for 2 days it's okay. Room is not so big, but here you have mirror and area for relax. Here you can put your belongings. Here you can watch a TV, and also you have a relaxing area. And this is our window. It's always open in summer, I think, because it's really hot here. You can open it here also. And this is a view from the window. Here is our neighbors. Yes, how I already said, our room is not so big, it's low ceiling. It's really cozy, you can relax here, you have everything here, what you need. You have cabinet for your belongings, you have TV, you have mirror, you have window, also bed. All what you need are here. And also here you have a little bit area. You can make yoga here, dancing or something like that. So guys, I hope this video was interesting for you. Subscribe to this channel if yes, because here will be a lot of videos. Again, you see? Will be a lot of videos about hotels, about different interesting places, about restaurants and something like that. Put like on this video, subscribe to this channel and see you in the next vlogs.